This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I'll show how you can switch on or off the gyroscope option, or to put it in other words, the automatic orientation detection. So to start, take your action camera and turn it on. Then swipe downwards from the top edge of the display, go into Preferences, scroll down, look for the gyroscope toggle, and you can switch it off or on. So once enabled, as I've said in the intro of this video, it will automatically detect your orientation, or, well, depending on whether you hold your camera horizontally or vertically, it will automatically switch between those modes, as you can clearly see. So now it is in portrait orientation mode, so the videos that it will record will be in that aspect ratio, like vertical one, and horizontal works, well, in horizontal orientation, depending on how your camera is held. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.